What's going on, guys? We're out here, Georgetown. High elevation with the Lectron. Feel pretty good. Out here with the bro. So I'll let you guys roll right off the bat. When I went to start it, she took a while to kick over. About 3 kicks more than normal, 4 kicks more than normal. I don't know what the deal with that was. Barely my second time on this second ride day out on this carb. But the last time I was here, my original carb was just, my bike was running like crap. Right now, it's a totally different bike, man. She's ripping. Watch. Getting after it right there. The brother freaking bikes on a stock carb and his shit's always been pretty dialed. It's just like, I don't know, all bikes are different, dude. You know, they all react different. I don't know, maybe my carb had issues, but I was always having problems with high elevation. You hear his bike. His bike actually took a while to start up. Started a little bit and then died. I think it fouled the plug actually. And we changed the plug in it. Just the air screw a tad. She fired right up. So there's the problems right there that you eliminate with the Lectron. Mine just took a little bit to start, but when she started, she was on it. And right now she's feeling cherry, dude. Instant throttle response again, guys. So yeah, I'm loving the carb. Well worth the money. Well worth the money. We gotta go this way. Actually, it's not this way. We're out here winging it. We got the map though. We're good. Here's what I was looking for. So yeah. It's always good to ride with the bro, man. We out here with the bro. Love riding with this guy. We just enjoy the ride, you know? It ain't about who's faster, trying to rip, trying to put people in the dust or anything like that. We just enjoy it. Like, I'm talking the full 9. You know, the trail, the views, camaraderie, you know, just me and the bro out here. I mean, we see a view, we'll stop. And take it all in. You know? That's how we do it. YZ Brothers. So yeah, I like to just tell you, welcome to the Nick Dog vid. Stay tuned for some epic riding. And yeah, appreciate all the love. Got a lot of comments and reaction off the Lectron videos. If you guys have any more questions, feel free to ask. Oh, and there's a tree that hit me in the head. And yeah, well, so let's get into it, even though we're already into it. Ooh, this guy's at a good pace. Check him out. See you guys, and just to show you guys, this guy's running on his stock carb. I think I already said that. We'll get his reaction in a bit. Oh shit, how it's ripping. But it sounds pretty good to me. So you know what I mean? Electron might not be for everybody, but it was for me. Now I'm super happy on it. No regrets. No regrets. See? Look at that. Oh! It's a hot one today. It's about 9 o'clock right now. And it's probably about upwards of about 79, close to 80. But, you know what I mean? There's no, this dude went around it. Look at that. Little brother squid move. That's a nice move, dude. That's a nice move, bro. Yeah, like I said, if you worried about the heat, then you wouldn't be riding half the time, because it gets hot out here in the summer. So that's gonna do it for this quick vid, guys. Smash that like button, subscribe, share this video. Let's get a reaction on his bike. See how he's ripping with his stock carb. How's she running?
Pretty good.
Yeah? Nice.
Idle might be a little low.
Yeah, I was fucking with it, you remember? Yeah. Alright, we're gonna continue in a bizzle. Peace.